Everyone said the newest Claude model would be different. The benchmarks looked incredible. But when real developers ran real code, the story changed. Claude Fable 5 is landing mid-tier. Here is what the data actually shows. A wave of developer benchmarks dropped this week on Hacker News. Hundreds of engineers ran Claude Fable 5 through real-world coding tasks, not sanitized benchmarks, but actual production-level problems. The results were not what the hype promised. On standard algorithm tasks and clean code generation, Fable 5 performed solidly. But on complex, multi-file refactoring, debugging legacy code, and system design tasks, it landed in the middle of the pack. Not bad. But not the leap forward the marketing suggested. To be clear, mid-tier still means highly capable. We are talking about a model that can write, debug, and explain code most engineers would be proud of. But the community expected a significant jump over GPT-4o and Gemini on hard coding tasks. That jump did not happen. At least not consistently. What went wrong? A few patterns emerged in the data. First, Fable 5 showed what developers called context drift. On long coding sessions, the model would lose track of earlier decisions mid-task. Second, on unfamiliar frameworks, it hallucinated APIs that do not exist. Third, and this surprised people, it was slower on average than competing models of similar price. This matters because coding is the killer use case for AI. It is the biggest reason businesses pay for API access. If Claude Fable 5 does not clearly win on code, it loses its most important competitive edge. Developers are already switching models based on this data. Anthropic has not officially responded to the benchmarks yet. But this comes in a rough week for the company, right after the guardrail controversy. 2 major trust issues in 1 week is not a good look. Competitors like OpenAI and Google will absolutely use this. The takeaway? Do not pick your AI tools based on press releases. Run your own tests. Benchmarks lie. Real workloads do not. For some tasks, Fable 5 is excellent. For hard coding at scale, the jury is still out. If you want the biggest AI stories every week without having to search, subscribe. I drop these every single day. Also, if you want to make your own professional AI voiceovers like the one in this video, try 11 Labs for free, https://try11labs.io/emfhbfp3yumn, it is what I use. Want to actually grow your YouTube channel? vidIQ gives you the keywords and analytics to do it, https://vdq.com/amaster, free to start. And if you want to go deeper on AI, books, courses, tools, check out what is on Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/tag=01210521-20. I will see you in the next one.